visible. Visible, not visible, a little visible, a little visible. So is it really necessary to run ads on social media? This is the question of the day. And the question is, first, are you showing up on social media? So let's be clear. If we want to be using ads on social media, you have to make sure that you are consistent with your content. And believe me, it's a challenge for all of us, women entrepreneurs, like how to get in the groove to be consistent. And some people say that they get visibility hangover, or if they stop for 1 week and then show up again. So consistency is kind of the currency of how social media works. And if you want your ads to work in a way that is not too expensive and makes sense, for sure you don't want your new kind of, let's say that you take a video that you've done last week and then you tell Facebook, show that video to this type of people, but then so they watch your video and then they want to learn more because your video was amazing, right? So they want to check you out on Instagram, Facebook, and on LinkedIn. There is no organic content that you put every day. So the first thing is it's only necessary to run ads when you get your content going. And the second beauty of this is that to help you with the consistency, ads actually help you to do that. I love when I work with my clients to help them to be visible. Even before they sell anything, I want them to be visible, to tell the world that they exist, to tell the world about, their origin stories of why they've created that program, that service, that product, and how beneficial it can be for their ideal audience. And then when we do that, this is just content you kind of deploy every day, and you use ads to reach more people with that message, so that when you're ready to actually sell them your program, sell them your new services, you already have all those people who've seen you before, who've heard you before, or starting to fall in love with you and almost trust you. So that's when, if you do what we call the lead ads or stuff like that, they might be inclining downloading your bonuses, your checklist, or whatever tools you build for your audience to help them find a solution to their problem. So is it really necessary to run ads if you want to go faster, if you want to make sure that you reach the right people you really want to work with? It is. And is it really necessary to use ads to reach more people and be more visible? It helps, definitely. There is no doubt. So anytime when you're ready to really jump into being consistent by saying hi to your audience, and I'm going to give you a tip, okay? Stay here until the end. That if you're committed to this is when you're going to see the benefit of the ads for two reasons. The number one is it helps to be consistently visible, because ads, they run even when you sleep. And number two, it really helps you leverage the content that you publish every day for free, whether it's your videos where you teach people how to do something, whether it's posts where you explain to them how they can do this or that, or even quotes, or even discussions you have with them. This is going to be actually a tool that Facebook uses on Instagram and other platforms to show your message to more people. So what is my tip? Is that no matter what your niche is, the content you produce on social media is not about you. It's about them. It's about the person you want to help. It's about the person you want to have an impact on. So this would probably help you, one, feel more responsible about the fact that you decided to open that little window to your world for people who need you, then thus you have to show up. And second, it's also, some help for you to to differentiate yourself from your content. Because even if you use your own stories in your content, this is just to illustrate by empathy what your ideal client is going through, so that they can understand that you have a piece of the solution for them. So from those two perspectives, this is going to help you big time to show up and give the best but simple tips, tricks, whatever you want to share with your audience to help them grow in their life, whether it's professional or personal. And then you add that dosage of, that little velour of ads that helps you kind of propulse the reach of your message to the right people at the right time. And then you can launch ads that are like more action driven, such as, getting people to your email list, such as buying stuff from you online, such as booking a call with you. So if that type of things is it resonates, and you're not sure where to start, it can be overwhelming, and my goal is to make it simple for you. So join our webinar. It's coming up very soon. I want you to actually be there with us, because this is where I'm going to show you the basic of what type of campaigns you can use on Facebook and Instagram and on social media. And then from there, I'm going to talk a little bit, what type of budget do you need for that? And I'll share with you kind of experiments that I do on my own account and what I do with my own clients, so that you can see, how you can go from being completely a stranger for people, showing up constantly with, regular content, to become interviewed on traditional media, because of being so visible on social media that you can't go to the grocery store without people are saying, "Hi, I've seen you in your Facebook Live," or media calling you saying, "Hey, I heard this on Facebook the other day. I would like to interview you." Okay, if that's that type of visibility you want for your business, join our webinar, because I'll get you in there and I'll share with you all I can to for you to feel confident enough that you want to try your own ads. Ciao. If you like this, let me know. Like it, subscribe to that video so that you get the next one, because there will be a next one. And leave me a comment to tell me, what is your number one goal with ads, even if you never had any ads before. I want to know. Ciao.